morning and welcome to another Singapore vlog. Hey Sylvia, you're here. We're on our way out for breakfast. We're going to somewhere called Clinton's. That is a bakery, you said, yeah? Yeah, so hopefully this will be delightful. So come join us. So breakfast was a delight. It was very, very filling. I think we both feel like pancaked out. But we just wandered over to Sri... Oh, I just looked it up. I've forgotten already. Let me look. What did I just say, Sylvia? What's it called?
Memory loss.
Yeah, I know. I'm like, oh, literally just said it. Sri Krishnan?
Hindu temple?
Yeah, I was right. I don't know how to say it properly, Krishnan Temple, which is just around the corner from our hotel, but I put it on my map as somewhere I would like to go see because it's so bright and colourful. I'll show you. It's very pretty. So pretty. Next door is a, what is this, a Buddhist temple? No, what religion is this one? Kwan Im Thong Hood Cho, what's the name? Long name? Temple. I don't know what religion this temple is, but literally just next door to our Hindu one, which is just over there. So this one's massive and very, very busy. Got lots of people going in to worship. Oh, we've just noticed the Buddhist signs up here, so this is a Buddhist temple. We were correct, yay! It's massive and it is incredibly busy. So we've now got a street full of fortune tellers, which is quite interesting. Quite interesting indeed. And this looks like it's fruit. Let's go across and see. Lots of fruit there. Fruit and cloves. This is like more like just a normal market. So we strolled over to Little India and we're now going into Little India Arcade and it's raining. Run, run, run. Let this be a warning to you all. Look how amazing this building is. It's so pretty. I want my house to look like this. We just stumbled upon it. I don't know what it is. It's very pretty though. I like the colours. So having said I didn't know what this building was, it was the building I was looking for. It's called Tan Teng Niah and it's beautiful and so colourful, and look at that. So just to update you and give you all the facts that you might need, that beautiful house one was the last surviving Chinese villa in Singapore. I don't know what it means by Chinese villa. Do you? What? Do you know what it means by last surviving Chinese villa? Like where the Chinese, I assume there are Chinese villas of some sort. It's beautiful. But anyway, we've headed to another temple which we're just coming across, which is known for having, it's called the Thousand Light Temple. It's also called Sakya Muni Buddha Gaya Temple, and it's basically known for having a 50-foot Buddha surrounded by lights. So let's have a look. Shopping centre looking for masks. No luck because everywhere's sold out. But oh my goodness, we're about to leave. I think we're gonna stay a while. This is insane. I don't even know if this is capturing how hard it is raining. Whoa, man. Want to go for a stroll? Several hours later, it's still raining. Oh my, oh my. So So to escape the rain, we've gone into the cinema and we've managed to get here just as Bombshell's about to start. So we're going to go get our tickets now and hopefully enjoy a jolly good film. It's been a nightmare getting here though, wasn't it? Like, one sign was saying go up, the next sign told us to go down. So it took us a while, so we deserve this. We deserve this, man. It wasn't what Eve and Bess expected, was it? It was quite documentary-like. I think it's definitely worth watching. It's very sad and made me very angry, but then it's definitely for women. I think, would you say it was empowering? In a way, it's kind of told us to speak out, which I think is what people need to hear. But yes, I would say it's definitely worth watching. Would you recommend it? She's nodding. She is responding to me. So I'd recommend it, but it's not a story. Like, don't go thinking you're going to have a very nice time, because it's quite difficult to watch at points. But it's still raining 7 hours later, and we got a taxi to Chinatown, and we're now eating our food. You saw me come in, you saw me film some of the food, we've got more food coming. We're just hiding away from the rain, basically. So because it's raining, we've gone to mini golf. It's called Holey Moley and it's free. It's ladies' night, so we got in. You've seen better days. You're looking a bit pink. My face is really pink. It's a reflection. I'm not sunburned. So cool. Okay, go on, Sylvia. What's your destiny? Better be blue. Orange! Orange destiny. Okay, what's mine? Orange! The future is bright, the future is orange! Starting here with the Tin Man. It looks so fun in here. Look at all of this, I love it. Good discovery, Sylvia. Whoa, well done. I'm there sleeping on my own. Just if you like the way you look there. I did it first go, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Great. Yeah, we'll talk to you in a bit. I think you guys might know this next song. It's crazy. This little thing.
Last one, Sylvia. Go to jail.
Speaking of town,
Monopoly one.
Or do we start there?
No, you start in front of the iron. The iron's here.
That's the iron, right?
Yeah.
we do have a
Come on.
lady here.
Come on.
Chloe,
Come on.
can you come
Come
up
on.
please and grace us with that song you wanted to sing? Ladies and gentlemen,
Go on, go to jail.
Chloe, a special guest. Chloe's like, I wanna sing that.
No one's having a good time.
Oh, someone's in jail and she can't hit that ball. I think you ran out of strokes. There you go.
I did it. No one can question my talent.
Oh, almost.
Why did we film that one and not when I did the Flintstones in 2 moves?
You told me to film you.
I know, it's hilarious.
rising. No, he's giving me the black
Cheers,
look.
cheers.
Done.
I really hate you. I see you turning down, I love you.
Good night, everybody. Thank you for joining us for another Singapore vlog. It's been a really funny evening. Crazy Golf was crazy but very fun. I was either very good or very, very, very bad. There's no in between. It's the story of my life. So it's our last full day tomorrow. So we'll see you next week for another weekly vlog. Not weekly vlog, for another Singapore vlog. Bye!